Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Harji Creations. In this video I would like to describe a very beautiful and very fast to knit a knitting pattern. Friends, it is called a seafoam knitting stitch pattern, or also called a drop design or drop knitting stitch pattern. From the right side it looks like this, and from the wrong side it looks like this. Friends, this pattern can be used for making any knitting project like scarf, sweater, jacket, etc. Friends, it is a 8 rows repeat knitting pattern, and stitches needed for cast on are the multiple of 10 plus 6 extra stitches. So let's start the tutorial. Friends, before starting the tutorial, if you really like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming video. Friends, please also share my video with your friends in your groups and keep supporting me. Thank you. Friends, for the demonstration I have cast on 16 stitches on my needle, 10 and plus 6. So let's start the pattern. Friends, before starting the pattern, first of all we will prepare its base row. So let's start base row 1. Row 1 right side, knit all the stitches. So let's complete this row by knit all the stitches. Second base row, wrong side, we will also knit all the stitches in the second base row. So let's complete this row by knit all the stitches. Friends, I have prepared here 2 base rows, row 1 and row 2, by knit all the stitches. Now our pattern row will be start. So first row of the pattern, right side, knit 6 stitches, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Knit 6 stitches. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is knit 1 stitch with double yarn over 1 and 2. Then knit next stitch with 3 time yarn over 1, 2 and 3. Knit next stitch with 4 time yarn over 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then knit next stitch with 3 time yarn over 1, 2 and 3. Then knit next stitch with double time yarn over 1 and 2. Then knit these 5 stitches, 1 2 3 4 and 5. So we will repeat this pattern in the whole row. In second row, the wrong side, we will knit all stitches in this row. So here is double time yarn over, so drop the extra yarn and knit this stitch. Again slip this stitch and drop the extra yarn, then knit this stitch. Again knit this stitch and drop the extra yarn like this. Then again knit this stitch, drop the extra yarn like this. Knit this stitch with drop the extra yarn like this. Friends, we will knit all the stitches in the second row by dropping the extra yarn. Third row, in third row we will knit all the stitches. So let's complete this row by knit all the stitches. Fourth row, wrong side, we will also knit all the stitches in the fourth row. So let's complete this row by knit all the stitches. So friends, our half pattern is prepared. Now we will form this dropping design here. Now is fifth row, knit one stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is knit one stitch with double time yarn over 1 and 2, knit next stitch with 3 time yarn over 1, 2 and 3, knit next stitch with 4 time yarn over 1, 2, 3 and 4, knit next stitch with 3 time yarn over 1, 2 and 3, knit next stitch with 2 time yarn over 1 and 2. Now knit 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and repeat pattern is, first is a knit stitch. So after this our pattern will be start, and pattern is knit one with double time yarn over, knit next stitch with 3 time yarn over, knit next stitch with 4 time yarn over, knit next stitch with 3 time yarn over, knit next stitch with 2 time yarn over, then knit 5 stitches. So at the last we have 5 stitches. So what we will do, knit one with double time yarn over, then knit second stitch with 3 time yarn over, knit third stitch with 4 time yarn over, 1, 2, 3 and 4, knit next stitch with 3 time yarn over, 1, 2 and 3, and simply knit the last stitch. Sixth row will be same as of the row second. We will knit all the stitches in the sixth row by dropping the extra yarn. So knit this stitch and drop the extra yarn, knit stitch, drop the extra yarn, knit this stitch, drop the extra yarn, knit this stitch, drop the extra yarn. So simply knit stitches. Then again knit stitch, dropping extra yarn, knit stitch, dropping extra yarn, knit this, dropping extra yarn, knit this, dropping extra yarn, and knit this, dropping extra yarn, and knit the last stitch. Seventh row. Now we will knit all the stitches in the seventh row. So let's complete the seventh row by knit all the stitches. Eighth row, we will also knit all the stitches in the eighth row. So let's complete this row by knit all the stitches. So friends, after the 8 rows our pattern is ready like this. We will repeat these 8 rows for the desired length of the pattern like this. Friends, I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video and enjoying knitting with us.